Buddy, I'm home. Buddy? Ah, there you are. What you looking at? Oh, no, I didn't draw those. My mother drew those blueprints. She was the artsy one in the family. Um, well, buddy, she went missing when I was very young. I I don't really remember her very well. I just have photos. No, it's okay. I don't mind talking about her with you. My dad was a mechanic like me, as you know, and my mother would make blueprints for him if he got bored. I guess mechanics aren't needed much out here. She would do portraits of people too. I think she sold them, but I'm not sure. I'd have to ask my dad about that. I guess I wasn't clear about my dad. He's alive, somewhere. He decided he wanted to see the world without me. But that's okay. I like it here. And who could guarantee such a gold mine of a scrapyard, huh? Anyways, he'll come back one day, and you can meet him. I'm sure he'll be super stoked to meet you, buddy. Oh, and he can see my workshop and all the things I've made. You know, buddy, he's gonna be so proud of his son. I bet. Oh, I nearly forgot. I got a little something for you. Open it. It's your new legs and arms. I managed to find some today. How lucky is that? I thought I'd have to go into the city to get them. Yeah, we can go to the workshop now and you'll be like new. Let me wheel you over to the table and I can get started. Hey, soon you won't need this hand truck to move around. Was that sarcasm? No, I'm not mad. I'm impressed, actually. Wonder what else you got up your sleeves. No, buddy. It's the saying. It, just don't worry about it. I'm gonna remove both legs. Then I'll attach the new ones, okay? If anything feels wrong or bad, just tell me, and I'll stop. I was hoping to be able to salvage some of the parts in here, but I think it's a lost cause. That makes me a little sad. Oh, no, it's okay, buddy. It's not your fault. It's the fault of whoever decided to toss you out. You're a good android. I don't just mean functionally. Sure, you need some fixing up, but it's worth it. You're something special. I can tell. I'll. I'm just gonna put the first leg on now. That looks good. Give it a go, buddy. Bad idea, bad idea. Okay, lesson learned. Attach all the wires before asking the android to move. Got it. Now for the last arm. Are you ready, buddy? Yeah, we're super close now. Just gotta take this old one off. What the hell is this? Buddy, do you know what this is? I found it in your shoulder. It looks like a chip of some sort. It's dirty, but I'll clean it later. Then we can read it. Gotta get you sorted out first. Well, buddy, good as new. Why don't you walk about? Look at you go. You know, the mechanic who fixed you up really should get a reward for his hard work. What do I want? I think a hug will suffice. Come here, buddy. Okay, I never thought I'd explain hugs. So, you put your arms around me like this. And hold tight, but not too tight, okay? And then I hold you. Yeah, this is a hug. It's an affection thing. It's used a lot for comfort too. I don't get hugs often, so I'm not the best hugger, but I'm glad I was your first hug. Why don't we walk home, buddy? I could show you how to use the TV now you can use your arms.